Hello students, good morning. Class 9th. For the students who belong to English medium, affiliated to CBSE or RBSE schools. Okay dear students, your topic is on progress named voice. Your topic voice is on progress. So we will take here the new performer of this voice, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means the sentence in them you get the sentence imperative sentence. The sentence in them request, order, forbid, okay, suggestions, advice, etc. you find called imperative sentence. In these sentences, we will take here the sentence in active voice. I will teach you the structure. I will teach you the structure active voice. In active voice you will find the first form of the main verb plus object plus etc. If you want to change this sentence in passive, my dear students, first of all you will write let plus object given in active voice plus be plus third form of the main verb plus etc. Second is active voice don't plus be fast plus object plus etc. In passive voice you will get or you will transform let plus object plus not be plus be third plus etc. Remove don't. Okay, or passive you are forbidden to plus active voice. Remove don't. Okay dear students, now we will get it, we will learn in Hindi. I will talk to you in Hindi. Dear students, थोड़ा सा आप इधर फोकस कीजिए. वॉइस इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस ऐसे वाक्य जिनमें कोई आदेश दिया जाता है, लिया जाता है, आज्ञा दी जाती है, ली जाती है, कोई प्रार्थना की जाती है. यहाँ हम केवल 2 ही प्रकार का सीखेंगे, बाकी 2 प्रकार नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बात करेंगे. यहाँ सुझाव दिए जाते हैं, सलाह दी जाती है, आदेश दिया जाता है, मना किया जाता है. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस कहलाते हैं. एक्टिव वॉइस में ये वाक्य किससे प्रारंभ होते हैं? मुख्य क्रिया की फर्स्ट फॉर्म से. और इसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कर्म दिया हुआ आता है, फिर ईटीसी एटसेट्रा इत्यादि होता है। इफ यू वांट टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस देन राइट लेट, उस तब क्या करोगे आप, सबसे पहले लेट लिखोगे और लेट के बाद फिर ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कर्म को लिखोगे, जैसा है वैसा। यू विल नॉट ट्रांसफॉर्म द ऑब्जेक्ट इनटू द सब्जेक्ट। कहने का मतलब कर्म को आप कर्ता में नहीं बदलोगे, जैसा कर्म है वैसा ही लिख दीजिए। प्लस क्या लिखोगे, बी, बीई प्लस मुक्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म, मुक्रिया की फर्स्ट फॉर्म को किस में बदलोगे, थर्ड फॉर्म, और ईटीसी इत्यादि लिखोगे। दूसरी टाइप आती है इसमें एक्टिव वॉइस में, सबसे पहले क्या आएगा, डोंट, और फिर वही की वही टाइप है जो पहले दे रखी है, मुक्रिया की फर्स्ट फॉर्म, ऑब्जेक्ट, ईटीसी। थोड़ा सा फर्क ये है कि मुक्रिया की फर्स्ट फॉर्म से पहले अब क्या मिल जाएगा, डोंट। कुछ भी नहीं करना है, पैसिव में यही स्ट्रक्चर लगाना है, लेकिन बी से पहले, जो यहाँ बी लिखी हुई है ना, इससे पहले आप क्या लगाओगे, नॉट। डोंट द फर्स्ट फॉर्म द मेन वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट ईटीसी। आप क्या करोगे, लेट ऑब्जेक्ट कर्म, नॉट बी, एम बी थर्ड, ईटीसी। और डोंट को क्या कर दोगे, रिमूव कर दोगे, हटा दोगे। इस प्रकार से नहीं बनाना चाहते तो दूसरा प्रकार है, यू आर फोरबिडन टू, लिख करके एक्टिव वॉइस को लिख दो जैसा है वैसा ही, और डोंट को उसमें से क्या कर देते हैं, हटा देते हैं। चलिए इसके एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दिस वी विल टॉक टू यू इन इंग्लिश, ओनली इन इंग्लिश, बिकॉज you all belong to English medium schools, so it is our duty that we should teach you only in English. My dear students, do not study, do not learn everything by the way of translation, because translation cum grammar method is known as old method of teaching English. We should learn English, we should study English by the way of direct method. Direct method, we should learn direct method, not translation cum grammar method. So my dear students, here we will take some examples. In this example, in active voice, please look at the blackboard. Do it. Here is given the sentence, do it, means do is the first form of the main verb and it is the object. etc is not given, don't worry. If you want to change it into passive, then first of all write let, then object, and object is it, let it, then write be, let it be, and then third form of the main verb means let it be written, written, let it be written. etc is not given in active voice, so we will not write anything. In active voice, the second type sentence, don't play chess. Dear students, you get here don't first of all, then the first form of the main verb and then the object. You will write let. If you want to transform the sentence into passive voice, then object. What is the object here? Chess. Then not. Then be. Then the third form of the main verb means played. And remove don't. Let chess not be played. Okay? Next sentence. Active voice. Shoot the traitor. But my dear students, first of all, we have to take it or. Sorry for that. Means the second method of passive voice. If you find don't and be first, object, let, object not be and be third. But the second method of this type of active voice is you are forbidden to active voice remove don't. Means passive of this. This sentence has two type of passive voice. Means you can transform this type of sentence into passive voice by two types. This is given here. Your structure don't and be first object etc. And you get here two type of passive voice. So second type is you are forbidden, FORBIDDEN, forbidden to and write active voice. What is the active voice? Don't play chess. But there is given remove don't means remove don't. Write active voice means play chess. This is your sentence. You are forbidden to play chess. You will not write here not. Not is never used in this type of sentence. Why? Why not is never used? Because forbidden is already a negative word. So we do not use double negative word in a sentence. Okay, the next sentence we take here. The next sentence of active voice. Open the door. Open the door. You are looking at the blackboard, my dear students. If you want to transform it into passive voice, open the door. Open is given the first form of the main verb and the door is object. Write let, then the object is the door. Then you will write be and third form of the main verb open means opened. OPENED. OPENED, opened. Okay, dear students. Open, MB first, object, the door, etc. is not given. Don't worry. If we want to change it into passive voice, first of all write let, the object is the door, be, and the third form of open will be opened. Okay, dear students, this is your class. These are some sentences of active and passive voice. This is called imperative sentence. You have to transform or change these imperative sentences into passive voice. Dear students, two types of imperative sentence I taught you here in this class. And the rest of two types will be taught in next video, in next class. Perhaps you got all these sentences inside your mind. I think you are very well at your home and you are taking enjoyment of these classes. I hope so. My dear students, with these words I finished my class, but first of all you have to take the screenshot of this class or you can copy the sentences from the blackboard. Okay dears, with these words I finished my class. Thank you. Dhanyavad.